Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I do beauty videos and throw in a little lifestyle as well sometimes. So today's video is going to be kind of like a get ready with me first impressions. I'm going to be trying out some new products here today and I'm going to be doing this look for you guys. I really love how it turned out. It's like this really pretty yellow eye makeup that's really trending right now, and this like kind of pinky lip. I really love a lip combo. I will talk about that in the video though, and I really hope you guys like this look and enjoy the video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to do so. I really appreciate when you guys subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so for this look I'm going to be starting off with the eyes, so I'm going to wait a second to prep my skin. I have already applied moisturizer, but I'm going to wait to apply primer until after I do my eye makeup. So I'm just going to be priming my lids right now. And now I'm just going to set that. And now I'm going to be applying a white base just to my lids. I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is just like a white pencil that you can use as eyeshadow base to kind of make the eyeshadow that you're applying over top of it pop. Now I'm going to be going into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is Golden Ochre, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just apply this into the crease and just blend it out everywhere. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange right here on a smaller fluffy brush and just put this right into the crease. Now I'm going to be applying the main eyeshadow. This is the NYX single eyeshadow in the shade STFU. We're just going to like pretend that's just a random assortment of letters. So yeah, this is the main eyeshadow for the look, and this is like a really gorgeous bright yellow. I have not tried this yet. It is new, so I'm going to be trying it out on camera with you guys. So this shade looks really, really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and apply this with a flat shader brush and just apply it all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm just going to go back in and re-intensify the crease shades, keep building up all of these eyeshadows, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye as well. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe away any fallout from underneath my eyes. And this is kind of why I waited to apply my primer, just so that I wouldn't be wiping it away from underneath my eyes when I wipe away fallout. The primer I'm going to be using is the Murad Invisible Perfecting Shield with SPF. This is a primer and anti-aging treatment. So it's kind of supposed to be like skincare and a primer. I got this at Ulta for like free along with a purchase. I don't know, it was random. They just gave it to me. This is what the box looks like. This is brand new. I haven't tried it yet. And this is what the little bottle looks like. I'm just going to pump some of this out onto my fingers and apply it to the face. I'm going to do about 2 pumps to start. Okay, this feels nice. Kind of like a silicone primer, like one that would fill in your pores. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like kind of like florally, like a perfume. Wow, that sunk into the skin really fast, like I can't even feel it too much. It felt nice. So now I'm going to be applying foundation, and I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I've really been liking this lately if I want to use like an actual foundation instead of just a BB cream, which is what I have been doing a lot. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out with my e.l.f. Flat Top Kabuki brush. And then I'm just going to go over that and blend it out further with my sponge. And I'm going to apply my Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer in light medium. I'm just going to blend that out with my sponge as well. I'm going to set my under eyes down with the IT Cosmetics Bye Pores pressed powder in a small brush. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line just with that same yellow eyeshadow and actually the same brush. I actually think I want to deepen up this look just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is called Real Gar, and it's like kind of a deep burnt terracotta orangey red. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the outer corners just a little bit into the crease and on my lower lash line. I'm going to try to do this quickly and then I will do the rest of the look. What I'm going to do now is apply a very thin line of black liquid liner just to my upper lash line. I'm just going to do a thin line across, no wing or anything. I'm using the Galactic Precise Eyeliner Marker in black, and I'm going to have to do this off camera because I have to get really close to the mirror, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I just applied a very thin line of black liner. I'm just going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. I'm actually going to line my waterline with it to do like a nice stark white waterline. It really brightens the eyes up. Alright, so I had to do that off camera as well, but applying eyeliner to the waterline is pretty self-explanatory. So now I'm going to move on to the face for now, and I'm going to be contouring and bronzing both with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm first going to apply this with a smaller brush and be really precise with it so it's more of a contour, and then I'll blend it out. Now I'm going to be applying blush, and I'm going to be using the Melissa Michelle Bling on the Glam palette that I reviewed in my last video, and I am going to be using the shade Mahal today. I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm going to be trying it in this video. I did try the other shade in my other video though, so I pretty much know how the formula is. And these blushes are really pigmented, so you want to make sure you go in with a light hand or then like really blend it out on the cheekbone. And then for highlight, I'm going to be trying out this Maybelline eyeshadow in the Glow Down, which is kind of crazy, but I've heard people saying this is like a really awesome highlight, so I'm going to be trying it out in this video. This is new, I just got it. This is going to open, that is. I'm just going to take my Morphe highlighting brush and go straight in with that. Holy cow. That is an intense highlight, but it is so beautiful. Like, it's, oh my gosh, like it totally does not apply even like a regular drugstore highlight, much less eyeshadow. Apply it to my nose, chin, and a little bit on my forehead. So now I'm going to be doing my brows, and first I'm going to outline with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, just a little bit. Now I'm going to be trying the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. I just picked this up at Ulta. I've been hearing it's really good. This is in the dark shade. I think they only have two shades, like a lighter one for like lighter hair, blonde hair, and then a deeper one for brown to deep brown hair. I'm pretty sure that's all they have. I'm going to be trying this out, run it through my brows. Okay, so that's really nice. It is a little deep, and I think I applied too much, but I'll just remember that next time and go with a lighter hand. But overall, I do really like it. I really like how it applies, so I'm going to have to keep using that, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it in future videos. But so far, I really like it. It's only $2.99 at Ulta. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, and then I'll apply my eyelashes. I'm going to use the Christina WSP lashes from Amazon. I've talked about these before. I really love them. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I have used this before, but it's been a while because I used up my other one, and this one is new. Alright, so I just applied my lashes as well as some lower lash mascara, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and we're almost done. I'm going to be lining them with the e.l.f. lip liner in Dusty Rose. I forgot to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just using that same Maybelline eyeshadow as a highlight. Alright, for lips, I'm going to be trying out one of the ColourPop Blotted Lips. I just got this in the mail. I'm really excited to try it out because I heard it's a dupe for the Glossier Generation G lipsticks, and I've really wanted to try those, but I just don't want to spend like $20 on a sheer lipstick, so I'm going to be trying out the shade Sucker in the ColourPop Blotted Lip. I really like this color with this look especially. And it's like you don't really have to think about it when you apply it because it's so easy to apply. Like it's more sheer and it's not gonna look messy if you don't do it super perfectly. And I'm also gonna be trying out this Ulta Juice Infused Lip Oil. I got this as part of a birthday gift from Ulta. My birthday is this month. So I'm gonna be trying this out. I did smell it. It smells so good. I'm just gonna apply this over that. Oh my gosh. It literally feels so smooth. I like the way this feels way better than the e.l.f. lip oil already. Kind of like a oil gel, and it smells amazing. So that is what that looks like together. I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray now. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really love how this turned out, like I said at the beginning of the video. If you want to see more looks like this from me, then be sure to let me know down below. I love doing makeup tutorials and this was so fun. This is probably my favorite look I've done here on my channel yet. This is how it looks. I'm absolutely obsessed with the lip combo. I love how it looks. It is so beautiful. I'm going to be using it all the time in the future. Both of those products are amazing and I will keep you updated on them if anything changes. So yeah, I guess that wraps it up, guys. Be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye!